Hey everybody, Matthew Barbie with Perfect Company. Let me show you a great way to find some different recipes throughout the app. Now we all know you can scroll and scroll and scroll, but with hundreds and hundreds of recipes and just so many things to choose from, sometimes it's simpler just to search for a recipe. Now you can search for a recipe, so you just click on the little search bar, and let's say we want to find a margarita. Type that in, hey, done. All our margaritas come up one place right there. Clear that out with a little X. You can also search for an ingredient, like say vodka. And that'll give you all your vodka drinks. You can also search for categories. Like let's say you're just looking for like a dessert cocktail. And there you have it. A bunch of nice, sweet, tasty little things to have after dinner. Or perhaps you're looking for something a little more fun in the morning, like a brunch cocktail. There you go, all the bubbly you could ever want. So, that's just another quick way to find all your favorite recipes. If you have any other questions or comments, let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.